Hey guys, it's me Macy here today, and it's only Wednesday, so Becca's not here today, but she's going to be coming back from camp tomorrow. And today I'm actually going to be doing a video on my dogs, Winnie and Walter. My golden doodle is Walter. He's a poodle and a golden retriever mix, and Winnie's a full-blood golden retriever. Walter just got groomed, so he looks extra cute. So here's Walter. So here he is. Wally. And he's got this cute little bandana on him. Okay, now I'm going to show you a couple of pictures of him. Now I'm just going to show you a few pictures of my golden retriever, Winnie. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and make sure to subscribe down below. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and comment what your pets' names are, and I'll see you next time. Bye!